In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in Shopify. This is a fantastic way to gather customer feedback, conduct surveys, or even create interactive forms on your Shopify store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First things first, we need to navigate to Typeform. Open your web browser and go to Typeform's website. Once there, you'll want to log into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. This is free and very simple to do. After you've logged in, look for the option that says Workspaces. This is basically where all of your forms will be organized. Click on it, and it'll take you to the dashboard where you can manage your forms. If you're interested, you can look around here a bit to familiarize yourself with the platform. The tools here are incredibly user-friendly, which is one of the reasons Typeform is so popular. Next, once you're in the Workspaces section, you'll want to create a new form. Look for the button that says New Form. Clicking this button will direct you to a page where you can start creating your own form. This is where the fun begins. You can customize it with various questions and settings to match your brand and the specifics of what you want to ask or collect from your customers. Once you've designed your Typeform to your satisfaction, the next step is to connect it to Shopify. To do this, you need to find the Connect button. It's usually located on the upper part of the screen, and when you click it, you'll see various integration options. You want to scroll down until you find the Shopify option. Clicking on this will take you one step closer to embedding your Typeform into your Shopify store. Now, once you've located Shopify in the integrations list, the next move is to click Connect. This action initiates the process of linking your Typeform account with your Shopify store, allowing the two to work hand in hand. It's crucial to make this connection because it allows you to capture data and insights from forms completed by your customers directly into your Shopify platform. Following that, you will need to add your Shopify account. When prompted, simply log in using your Shopify credentials. This step is essential as it confirms that you own the store you're trying to connect with Typeform. Once your Shopify account is successfully added, it will allow Typeform to interact appropriately with your Shopify store. After you've done all of this, don't forget to hit Continue. This is a very important step to finalize the connection process. Once you do this, your Typeform will be successfully linked to your Shopify account, enabling you to start collecting data right away. Now that we've covered the steps to embed Typeform in your Shopify store, let's quickly summarize. First, go to your Typeform workspaces, create a new form, click on the Connect option, scroll down to Shopify, click Connect, add your account details, and hit Continue. Following these straightforward steps will enable you to present your Typeform directly on your Shopify site in no time. That's it. You've successfully embedded Typeform in your Shopify store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Remember, adding interactive forms to your Shopify store can significantly enhance customer engagement and gather valuable insights for your business. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.